Hello.
We start the vlog a lot later than usual. It's currently 4 PM in the afternoon. The only reason we started off so late is because we basically just went round a few shops this morning to get some bits and pieces that we've missed out on stuff, and to be honest with you, there's no point vlogging it because it's been the same stores that we were literally in and out, so there wouldn't have been no point. We have, however, just come back from Walmart. That is mostly a Walmart haul of foods that we just love and we like to take back, presents and whatnot. Getting that back up to the room was fun. We both had bags.
We did it.
We did it. We managed to do it in one trip, which was quite impressive. But it's like sauces, candy, chips, that sort of stuff that obviously we love, and we can't get back in the UK, so we thought we might as well treat ourselves because we're definitely not going to be coming back next year. So we want to make sure it lasts. So the plan of action for now is it's literally just rained.
Yeah, it's just
and the parks close at either 6 or 7, so the plan of action is I'm going to go in to Universal Studios solo again. Emma's going to do some...
I've got to do some bits here,
some
like
bits and pieces
and things like that,
and
that needs doing.
And then you're going to meet up with me
a bit
in
later.
there. And then tonight is... I don't know what we're doing tonight. I think we've got to go... You've got to take something back to Dick's Sporting Goods, haven't you? Like that, because tomorrow is... Because we're going to do our packing tonight as well. Tomorrow is purely Universal. We are going in, so we're going to get all the stuff done tonight, and then obviously tomorrow's our last full day, and then obviously we fly back on Tuesday.
Boo!
Yeah. So yeah,
it looks like it might rain again.
Yeah, but I'm not. I'm going to enjoy it. I don't care if I get rained on. I've been ill this whole day already. I don't care. I'm going back to the UK, so if I get ill, I get ill. But yeah, so next time you see us, well, I'll be in the park, and then Emma will be following shortly. So obviously just got off the walkway, just about to walk into the side. The clouds are a bit dark, so I have a feeling it's obviously going to rain again, but not letting this stop me. I'm going to head straight to the studio, see what I can do, and hopefully the weather can hold out. So one thing I never noticed before is that Voodoo Donuts do a mobile pickup. So obviously you can order them through the park. Obviously there's the main shop there, but you can order them when you're in the park and then pick them up on the way out. Okay, so I've made it into Universal. There's a parade or something going on back there, but I'm bolting it to ET because I haven't done it yet this trip, and Emma's not a big fan, so I want to do it. But it is starting to rain, so what I'm going to be able to vlog outside, I'm not too sure yet.
You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh, sounds like ET's ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, ET's counting on you, and so am I. Oh. It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Sleepy.
Entering the base. Wait, they got ET. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
E.T. Go to Tippy. Hurry. Welcome home. You have arrived.
Let go.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Okay, so E.T. was fun. It's always a pleasure going on that ride. Fair enough, it hasn't aged well really, but it's still it's the only original remaining attraction from when the park opened, so it's a very nostalgic ride. And the smell of E.T. If you've been on E.T. you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm just heading around Springfield at the moment. It's not too warm, it's nice and cozy basically, but it looks beautiful. So we're going to head over to MIB and hopefully get on a ride. Right, so just come off Men in Black. A nice easy 331,000, and I didn't get the bonus, so I would have liked to have got it. That would have been one of my highest scores. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to Hogwarts, Hogsmeade. No, not even Hogsmeade. Diagon Alley. Just see what's happening on in there. And then I'll probably head round around the Mummy and then take some photos with my new t-shirt. You gotta admit, this setting is just beautiful with Christmas lights. Just really makes all the architecture and everything that is in Universal just stand out even more. And it, of course, just gets you in the festive period, really. So 2 rides down. I think I'm going to go and see my mate Optimus and save the world once again.
You can't escape Megatron. Reverse thrusters. Full throttle. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit. Hold on. Brace yourself. No more running, recruits. You won't see off spark. You can have it. Oh no.
Okay, so a successful ride on Transformers, basically a walk-on. I'm now going to hit, where are you? The Mummy. It's posted in 25 minutes, but I am going to go on the single rider queue. Unfortunately, I can't take the camera in with me, but I shall see you when I come out. Okay, so just come off the Mummy, single rider queue, just a walk-on. So that's four rides in the space of an hour. Can't moan with that. So it's about 20 minutes before the park closes, so I'm going to try and get on Rip Ride Rocket. But no, it's proven to be an alright afternoon so far. Obviously I wish Emma was here, but obviously she's got some bits and pieces to do at the room, so hopefully we can get one more ride in before park closes. I will say one thing as well, that's the only slight disadvantage with Universal. There's not many of their rides that will allow you to take cameras on, or even just your mobile phones to record, because they're very strict on recording everything on rides. There's a couple you can do, but obviously not as nearly as much as Disney, so that's one slight disadvantage, but hey. So I've just done the Jaws Back to the Future wax melt, like 3D printed thing. It's very good, but it's very hot, so just bear that in mind when you pick it out of the machine. Right, so we've come down to the canteen area to eat because obviously we're doing packing and everything tonight, aren't we? So we thought we'd have a quick bite to eat here and then we're going to get that sorted. But we've both gone for pasta dishes. So Emma's gone for, is it pasta and meatballs?
Yeah.
Pasta and meatballs, and you get like a garlic breadstick, and she's gone for the chocolate milk. And I've gone for the chicken Alfredo. This massive cinnamon roll, like this thing is massive, and a Coke because I've got lots of orange Fanta in the room, so I'm going to drink that later. But yeah, this looks quite nice. Obviously packing's a bit of a sad time, but we thought we'd get it done tonight so then we can enjoy the whole day tomorrow, didn't we? So eat this and then back up to the room. So after we are now stuffed, we're fueled and ready to pack, we decided to come and have a look at the Endless Summer merch, because what we tend to do, and I think a lot of people do it as well, is when they stay at hotels they'll buy a piece of merch, and we tend to do that a lot, don't we? So yeah, so this is the only section by the looks of things. It was like Cabana Bay, there wasn't a great deal of stuff, but like the mug's nice, there's a Christmas ornament, a pin, which I think I'm going to get the pin. Towel, I've got the Cabana Bay one, which is very similar. The only difference is it's a darker blue, and then you've got like a tumbler. So yeah, that's very nice. But obviously in here as well, obviously there's other Universal merch. So obviously if you want to pick up some souvenirs and things like that, like you've got some surfer inspired merch as well, just in case you wanted to, like, I don't know, set your home to some sort of surfing environment, if that makes sense. But yeah, you got Harry, obviously there's huge, the biggest part of the Harry Potter section is the case in all the gift shops. But yes, we're gonna have a look, and by the looks of it, Emma's getting the towel.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the towel.
It's quite
$36.
Well, that's not too bad for a towel. Well, a theme towel anyway. Right guys, it's about 2 hours since we had dinner in the canteen. Since then, all we've literally been doing is packing, trying to pack. It looks like, well, we are going to be getting another case tomorrow. It's
only a smaller one.
Only a smaller one. It's not the amount we've bought, it's the weight of it, because we've got Bath and Body Works candles, and if anyone knows what the 3-wick ones are like, they are heavy. We went a bit like,
we've got hand soap.
We've got hand soaps and stuff like that, because we don't know when we're going to be coming back, so obviously we wanted to stock up. So we're going to play it safe and get another case tomorrow. We'd rather...
It's more so we don't get there and they go... Because I've watched people go with cases that are like 4 or 5 kilograms overweight, and they go, you need to disperse it into other cases. Well, me and Ashley were talking, we ain't got no other cases to disperse it because they're all really full.
Yeah.
Well, they're not even, it's not even that they're really full, but...
It's just the weight, just the weight of the items.
Yeah, the weight of the items. Doesn't matter where we move it, what one of them's likely to be overweight, so... I think just to be safe, it's easier to just go and get another one. And
yeah, so we're going to get up early tomorrow because we need to go and get some weighing scales as well, because we've got to bring some. But we're going to be out early tomorrow because obviously we want to spend the last day at Universal, so we want to get everything done.
I'm sad it's the last day.
I know, but we'll enjoy it. We'll have a good day tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be okay. And then obviously we go home the day after. So... But yeah, so in regards to this one, we are going to go to bed because, like I said, we are up early. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Obviously tomorrow is the last full day, so there's only a couple of vlogs left. But yeah, we'll make the most of it. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.